Assalamu alaikum. Good evening, gentlemen. Tonight I would like to talk about an important subject, which is study abroad. Nowadays, there are many people continue their studies outside their country. They think the education in other countries are better than in their own country. In my country, many students continue their studies overseas. Australia, Canada, and UK and USA are the most important, are the most favorite countries to study. In my opinion, the study abroad is a good choice. So tonight I can persuade you to study abroad is good for several reasons. The first reason it's the official way to learn a language. The second, it allows you to transfer your culture outside the country. The third, it affords you to make a new friends around the world. Before I go through my reasons, I believe that so many people think study outside is bad, but I believe that because because it costs a lot of money and it may change this tradition. So I will move to the first reason, which is the original way to learn a language. There is no better and more effective way to learn a language that to be immersed in a culture that speaks the language you are learning. You will be surrounded by the language on a daily basis, and you will hear and see will see the proper culture context. This was my explanation for the first reason. So now I will move to the next part, next reason, which is allows you to transfer the culture and the culture outside. Culture difference are not just culture difference are more than just difference in language, food, appearance, and personal habits. Person culture reflects very deep perception and beliefs and values, and that influence his way of life and the way that has view in the world. Now I finished from the two reasons, so I will move to the third reason, which is afford you to make a friend around the world. You will miss not only the native in the cultures that you will study, but you will meet other people who are as far from home as yourself, and you can learn from them. This is all my reasons, so I will memorize it in a few words. The optional way to learn a language. The second, it allows you to transfer your culture outside. It affords you to make a friend around the world. At the end, I would like to say, study abroad is important because you can make this career and you can live as happy as ever you wish. Most of all, it's fun. You may not suffer from the bored routine. So I hope I could persuade what I said.